All right, so let's take a look at 3/4 times 11. I could chunk this into 8, 2, and 1, but I don't know how easy that would be. I think I would get complicated. Whenever I see fourths, a lot of times I want a half to half. I just like having halves. I find it like a good mental exercise there. So we're going to look at what's half of 11. So it'll be what, 5 and a half. And then what's half of 5 and a half? Oof. Well, half of 5 and a half. Well, half of 5 is 2 and a half. Half of a half is a quarter. So half of 5. Here, what do we did this? Let's back up a second. Half of 5 and a half. That's going to give me, so half of 5 is 2 and a half. Half of my half there, half of this is 1/4. And if we add those together, it's going to give us 2 and a half plus a quarter is 2 3/4. So my half of a half is 2 3/4. And now I just need to find 3 of those. Maybe this is way too complicated for myself. But let me go. So then I have 2 3/4. And I'm going to do that 3 times. Right? Because this is just 1/4. If I look at that, I see 3 times 2 is 6, and I have 3 sets of 3/4. So 3 sets of 3/4 is 9/4. Now I can't keep this as 6 9/4. That's one thing that a mathematician would never do. So I want to find my grouping of 4 in there. How many do I have? I have 2 there. So this is going to give me 8 1/4.